Guys, so today I went and bought myself a bacon and cheese pasta for lunch while I'm at work, and a coffee. Drank my coffee and realised I haven't got a fork or a spoon in this pot or attached to it, so I'm going to use my wingman and make one out of this cup. On here there's a very good pair of scissors. Once they're open fully, they're then spring enabled. You won't get out, mate. So yeah, as I was saying, very spring enabled scissors these are. This is my my cup. Just put rubbish in there. Finish up the dribbles. So as you can see, it's got quite a tough lip. I've just literally just cut straight through that. I'm going to cut down there. I'm going to cut around the side of the cup. Oh. As you can see, I've cut up like that. And then what I'm going to do is, because the spoon's that way enabled, it gives me something to grip hold of. So I'm just going to cut that down a little bit more. Don't need quite that much. Give it a nice rounded lip. And there we have it. I now have a spoon to get at my meal. Urban adapt and overcome. Perfect. See you later, guys.